So guys, welcome to the new video. I will provide a library of over 1,000 sound effects. You can use these sound effects in your video project without any copyright restrictions, but the download link is definitely provided. At the end of this video, I'll explain how to download sound effects properly. Alright, let's listen to some cool sound effects.
Whoa! Yay!
Let's find out how to download sound effects now. In this video description, you'll find a link named Most Recent and Important. Click on that link to play another video. In that video description, you'll find a Google Drive link with over 1,000 sound effects. Download it and use them as needed to make your video more engaging. Like this video if you found it useful. Leave a comment with your feedback and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.